Hey guys, what's up and welcome. This is Matthew Msingati, the designer and developer from South Africa, the best of both worlds. I was just browsing through Dribble for some interesting dashboard and I came across this one. Is it possible if we can code this and make it a responsive dashboard with light and dark theme? Well, you are in the right place. Let me show you what I did. As you can see guys, this is my own execution of this dashboard. Okay, please check, this is the person who designed this dashboard. Let me demonstrate it to you. We've got a light and dark theme. Okay, as you can see guys, we are using Next.js, TypeScript, Tailwind, CSS and Rechart. Okay, as you can see for this awesome chart. This tutorial, it's packed with lot of design pattern. It's also responsive as well. Let me demonstrate it. Okay, check here guys. Okay, check here guys. Okay, it's responsive. Okay, things are appearing and disappearing. Okay, so this one is not the actual tutorial. I've made this video only for people who are looking for the source code. I'm still editing it and I'm going to upload it soon. If you want the source code, just check the link in the description. You will find a link to my Substack and you need to subscribe there and you will get an email. That email will have a list of all my source code. This code will be WISE dashboard and then in bracket source code, and then you will click that link and you can download the source code, and that's it. Check here guys, let's demonstrate it for the last time. Okay, as you can see, everything that has disappeared here, it's now here. Okay, it's now here. This is our navigation item, and then also even here you can have the light and dark theme. Okay, so you can go and download the source code. I hope you are going to enjoy the tutorials as I am busy with it. See you on the next one. God bless you.